Hey there YouTube, this is the Scorch Torch Triple Flame Butane Lighter. At the bottom you recharge it and adjust the knob. Right now I'm using the Zippo Butane Fuel Premium. Came in this box. This baggie comes with a cigar hole puncher. So this is a cigar lighter. This thing kind of protects you from the heat. This is almost perfectly centered, and you can see how you can add the flame and take away some. Light's pretty good. Still probably shouldn't do that inside, but I'm gonna do it again because I like it. Yep. This is indoors.